Mo, I sent out like 1,200 ringless voicemails and no deals. What am I doing wrong? Ringless voicemails, in my opinion, are a complete waste of time. I don't do them. I've done them. It was just a nightmare. Because what happens is, this is what people are taught, right, Mike? People are taught, send out a ton of voicemails, get the calls back. Don't answer those calls. Only check the voicemails. Get them transcribed so that you see the people that are interested in considering an offer. So then you call them back. But the issue is, a lot of times people don't call back and go, oh yes, I live at 1212 Banana Street and I do want to sell my house and thank you for leaving that incredible voicemail. I didn't even see that you called. How strange. I must have been in a weird service area. Listen, everybody's caught on to ringless voicemails. Everybody sees a voicemail that it didn't ring and it's in their voicemail box. It's just, texting is way better. I mean, if you're not going to make the calls, Mo, which I highly suggest you do, because I think it's a fundamental pillar of your business, then I would text message. Text message. Text and go. You can do it batchleads.io. Use the coupon code TTP. I think they give you 500. Can we verify that on 500 free text with batchleads.io if you use the TTP code. So you can get that rhythm and figure it out. But if you've got the phone numbers and you can't get a hold of them on the phone, I would suggest texting. And by the way, Mo, the average that from the people that really do it is about 40,000 voicemails to a deal. Did you hear that? 40,000, all right? Text is about 20,000 depending on the market. So it's not that, you know, you're really relying on the lowest hanging fruit. That's why, you know, for your money, for the bang. I mean, remember, you got to get big lists and then you got to pay for them to get skip traced and then you got to go out there. So if it takes you 40,000 or 20,000 or whatever else of blasting out, you have to have a big budget for skip tracing to be able to do that. And it's cool when they come because you get basically laydowns, but it's very difficult to build a very robust business unless you have a big budget for it and you're sending out hundreds of thousands and then, you know, whatever. There's a lot of systems in place that you need to be able to handle that. So, Mo, listen, you got the phone numbers, brother. I mean, you got the phone numbers. So pick up the phone and call them. Try that out. You can do it. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button because we put out new videos every single day. And if you have a question that you want me to answer personally, join us live every Wednesday.